Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your account security with Intuit, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin resetting your Intuit account security, navigate to the Intuit sign-in page. Enter your email address associated with your account. Click on the Continue button. You will receive an email with a link to reset your password. Open your email inbox and locate the email from Intuit. Click on the password reset link within that email. You will be directed to a new page. Enter a new password that meets Intuit's security requirements. Confirm your new password by entering it again. Once you've entered your new password, click on the Continue button. You will receive a notification that your password has been successfully reset. Now, log into your account using your new password. To enhance your account security, enable two-factor authentication. Go to your account settings after logging in. Look for the security or two-factor authentication option. Follow the prompts to set up two-factor authentication. You may need to provide your mobile number for verification. Intuit will send you a verification code via SMS. Enter that code in the designated field on the website. Once verified, your two-factor authentication will be enabled. Review your account activity to ensure there are no unauthorized entries. For added security, consider reviewing your security questions. Your account is now more secure with the updated password and two-factor authentication in place. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.